Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making peppered chicken. You can follow this same method to make your peppered goat meat, peppered beef, peppered chicken as well. Yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I share a new video. Subscribe to my channel. So without further waste of time, let's get started. Now I'll walk you through all the ingredients you'll be using to make this delicious recipe. So we'll need our chicken, curry, parsley flakes, thyme, chicken seasoning, salt, yeah, and you need your bell pepper. I use 2 bell pepper. You can use cayenne pepper or sweet peppers, whichever is available. Garlic and ginger, onion, and habanero pepper. So let's get started. I blended my onion mix. Like here, I had my ginger, garlic, a little bit of habanero, just one. I just added, to the pot with my chicken seasoning, salt, thyme, parsley flakes, and just going to mix it this time. Cover it, allow to simmer for some minutes, and boil till it's tender. So when it's tender, I'll go ahead and fry this. If you want a healthier version, you can use an air fryer or baking oven instead. So this is optional, it's just your choice. Now I was done frying it, pick it up. On this very day, I was hungry and I had to make this. I'll tell you why. First, let's grind our pepper mix. I just put my pepper in the blender, and you know the usual now. I don't like it so smooth, but you can make it smoother. So add my oil, add onions and fry it. Or you want the onions to release this flavor, add your garlic and ginger paste, stir. Then you're going to start adding our pepper mix. So let me continue. On this very day, I was hungry. I had fried rice in the fridge and there was no protein, guys. There was no protein to eat my fried rice. At that point, I didn't have anything to encourage me to eat my food other than to make this. This was just what I needed to eat my food, like to have a proper and a balanced diet. So I had to go through this. Normally you can just fry this if you're a lover of protein. You can just do this. This can also serve as a street food. You can use this for a party. If you have a party, you can go for this. You can enjoy this any way you want. So but for me, on this day, I needed to eat this with my fried rice. So guys, I had to take my time and do this. So when I was done frying my pepper mix, I added my seasoning. Normal. Don't allow your seasoning to be too much because your chicken already is seasoned. So it's just going to be moderate, guys. So keep it low. So I'm going to just stir in my seasoning. I added all the seasoning to perfection, everything. I added my chicken at this time. I don't want totally dry chicken. I want to eat my meat and I want my teeth to be stable. So you can make yours to be really dry. Add a little stuff to this. Just a little, don't put too much. Let's say in between 3 tablespoons. Yeah, 3 tablespoons of that meat stuff will do. Turn this roll and turn this properly and allow it to settle down for a few minutes. While that is cooking and doing its way, I washed my onion leaves, and here I was trying to cut it. These onion leaves, make sure you add it towards the end when you just have 1 or 2 minutes to go to put the pot down. So don't add it immediately. I'll make sure that my meat and everything is properly fried and totally in order before I add the onions. It's just going to be the last thing I'm going to do. Pour out your onions. as much veggies as you want. You can add more onion at this time. It's solely your choice. So I'm just going to stir it. I'll give it 1 minute and I'm done. Dish this out and you can now go ahead and enjoy my fried rice. So let me know where you're watching this video from. Don't forget to like this video. I'm sure you've enjoyed watching this recipe and learned something. Share this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you lovely people for watching to this time. See you in my next video.